It is a big boost coming in for the India-US ties as the key Biden aide is on a 3-day visit to India. US Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin will meet Defense Minister Rajnath Singh in just about a short while from now. In the afternoon, he's also going to be meeting the External Affairs Minister, Jay Shankar. Austin met Prime Minister Modi yesterday. Rajnath and Austin are expected to hold talks on boosting bilateral ties and strengthening the presence in Indo-Pacific region. The meeting is also expected to be held to counter the growing influence of an aggressive China. The US Defense Secretary said that China presents a threat as it is rapidly advancing. Adding further, Austin has said that there was a need to enhance capabilities to ensure a credible deterrence to China. So that's the latest coming in right there. Our Foreign Affairs editor will be joining us in just about a bit. All right, our Foreign Affairs editor Geeta Mohan is with us, walking our viewers through all the latest development. Geeta, this is going to be a big one. And yesterday there was a meeting between Austin and Prime Minister Modi. If you could encapsulate what transpired there, what can be expected today, what's on the agenda where US and India are strengthening ties and bilateral cooperation?
Well, it is a significant visit given that this is the first international trip of top Biden administration where they chose Japan, South Korea and then Austin in India. Blinken, of course, went back to have that infamous now meeting with the Chinese officials, and the sparring is for everybody to see. But that's not going to be the case here in New Delhi. The Defense Secretary will be meeting Rajnath Singh, the Raksha Mantri of India, and the focus is going to be on a few very important areas, particularly strategic partnership between the two countries, defense cooperation, how to take the Quad forward, and how to ensure that the Indo-Pacific is a safe space for all stakeholders and all countries and contain an aggressive China. So these are going to be focus areas, but we also know that there have been letters written particularly by Senator Robert Menendez in the United States of America before Austin's travel to India, where he said that the S-400 deal between India and Russia should be raised. It is a concern. India is going to sound out the Americans that one, the S-400 deal was signed way before CAATSA was invoked, way before US sanctions against Russia. Also, more importantly, India and Russia are important military partners, and it is not going to be easy for New Delhi to choose one against the other. Both countries are important to India, and being a very important and crucial part of this entire neighborhood and the region, India is not going to cut off ties with either.
All right, Geeta, getting us all those details right there. Geeta, we'll keep coming back to you for more on this. This is a big story we're tracking, defining the news agenda today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.